what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily download a flight ticket online on British Airways. So of course, just head over to British Airways and from this page, just enter your booking reference and last name of the passenger. Just make sure that you already have an existing booking, but if you still don't have one, you can just click on online check-in to check in first, but if you already have an existing booking, just proceed by clicking on Find My Booking. You will then be redirected to your booking page, and just beside your booking, just click on the drop down menu, then choose Print Boarding Pass. So from here, you should be able to view your boarding pass, and all you have to do is scroll down until you see Print Boarding Pass, then click on it. A print window will then pop up, and in the drop-down menu just below the printer section, make sure that you choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Then once done, just click on Print. Your boarding pass will then be downloaded as PDF file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!